Hello there guys, what is up? Jono here. This is time for part 3. A few useful tips. They're in the water. Anyone still alive, get to the plantation house, I think. And then people who have died from zombie attitudes-ness. Someone else? Oh, that was a lovely headshot. Right, you guys ready?
Reloading.
I'm just gonna quickly reload and grab some more ammo. And let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom. Run, 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 run. The store is closed. I've always wanted to say that. Enter a shop full of zombies and just shut the store's closed.
Shoot the mudmen.
Where's the mudmen? I don't know. I don't know what they are. Right, now I think we go through
this
here.
door.
Hey, I'm reloading.
That's right.
Hey, we might need these. That'll keep me for a bit.
Reloading.
Is that one there? No, that's part of the car. Okay, I'm just gonna
Reloading.
reload. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Watch my back. Watch my back. Ooh, can I go up here? Yeah.
Reloading.
I'm on top of a caravan. It's like being on top of the world, but not anywhere near as appealing. Oh, I thought Ellis was a spitter for a second. He's a deader.
Reloading.
I don't know about your school, but we always had fun at my school, giving people dead legs. Well, that guy was dead, and he didn't have a leg. Was that like rope? What was that? Is that what? He wasn't a spitter? That's confusing. I thought I saw a tongue. Or something. Oh, God, run, jump, run away, shoot, shoot. Spin the circle, spin the circle. That actually worked pretty well. Now,
I'm a reload.
use melee weapons to sever limbs, or don't. Ah. I think that guy was dead anyway. Right, I want to be up there, so get out of the way, please. Thank you very much for just dying at my feet.
Reloading.
Nope. I like my chainsaw, Fireaxe, chainsaw. I'll go for. I like my Fireaxe. Right. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. I saw you. It's gonna come up behind me. Oh no, it's probably gonna get Nick. Oh no, it's come up behind me.
Hey, let's stop shooting each other, please.
You're welcome, guys. I swear I just saved Nick. Right, down here. Executive decisions, come on. Not anymore. Hunter. Right, we're fine.
Stay up here. Grabbing a shot. Grabbing a shot.
Wait, you had adrenaline shots. They were adrenaline. Ah, well. Oh well. What? Ah! Ah, I'm down, I'm down. Run away, run away, run away. Fire on, run away.
Reloading.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, charge, charge. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Ah, Rochelle's fine. Right.
Reloading. Reloading.
That's a jockey. Ah.
That'll keep me for a bit.
Ah.
Reloading.
I think we want to go this way. Because isn't... No, I think I'm... Let's go. Quick slope. Oh, no time for that. Did someone just say hunter? Oh. I hear a witch. Thank you. Line up.
Reloading.
Why do I keep hearing
Reloading.
these witches? How many witches can there be in a swamp? Probably very many, but oh well. Reloading. The zombie saw me, now she's dead. I didn't even have to fight, Mudman. Come on, guys, hurry up!
We have to lower
I
this
haven't got time
Once
forever.
it's down, let's
And
go.
now the zombie hordes are coming. We're totally screwed. It doesn't matter. It's time for ultimate goal because I happen to be owning a Fireaxe. Zombies, let's be honest, we're all really screwed. Because soon we'll all be dead. Well, undead anyway, so why does it matter? Ba-dum-bum, you've got no legs, you've got no things, you've got no head, you've got no arms, you've got no arm either, so what's going on here? I think it's a zombie killer with a Fireaxe. Going a bit crazy, come on now, don't get lazy, just kill everyone. Don't have to shoot anyone, but what you gotta do is have a Fireaxe handy all the time to chop the zombie arms when they're climbing up here. Ba-da-ba-da, now the air and my face are covered in zombie blood. It's really enjoyable to sit here while zombies die and be responsible for their demise. Okay, that's my rendition of killing zombies in the rain. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's my Jono sing-song, along song for today. So, hopefully it was worth. Oh, what the hell? Stop. Now you can. You can actually fly. Fine. Right, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, hurry up, I need you. Apart from Michelle. I think Michelle just said I've got to touch myself up. That's a bit scary. Come on. Get Molotov. Come on. Get Molotov. Get a Molotov. There we are. Molotov. Right, let's go.
Reloading.
Nick's got the right idea, come on. Let's do this. Spitter. Thank you, Rochelle.
Reloading.
See, you are good for something. Compliments. That's not sexist. Right, so do I have to... Is it over here? I think it is. Can I still hear that witch? Right, okay, so it's not over here. It must be over there then. Oh, fantastic. I just got the lifeblood of a nation. Just before I tell you what it is, comment down below what you think it is.
Reloading.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer coffee. My bad. Dead man. Woman. Let's go, guys. Die, bitch. You have no leg. You have no leg. I don't know how I got your leg with that swing, but what the hell. You have no, like, stomach organs? I don't know. Ooh. Forgive me if I take slurps of my coffee at random times. Is that a massive rock? Yeah, I think it is. Ah. That didn't sound like the best thing ever, but Nick dealt with it. Right.
Damn mud people.
Oh, that's what it is. Safe room. Ha. I had to.
Reloading. Hey, I'm reloading.
Die. I probably missed all.
Reloading.
But I don't care, because safe house.
Reloading.
You guys better get in here fast, because otherwise I'm
Get your
close.
asses in
Ellis,
here.
get your ass in here. Rochelle! Screw Rochelle.
Oh, hell
Right,
yeah.
fantastic. That was part 2. Sorry, 3. That coffee was really hot. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you for part 4 next time.